Hello YouTube, this is my Airsoft shooting review of the JG M4S system. Airsoft, got an extra magazine just in case. I am running it on a 8.4 1150 millihertz or milliamps or whatever they are battery. And I will be shooting from 100 feet. It's all the way down here. At this. As you can see, I already shot at it before just a little bit. So I'm gonna move it over, M4. So I'm gonna move it. I'll be shooting at number 1. Just got a few though, alright? I'm gonna set this down right over here. Out of harm's way, but can still see. Alright, I'll be back. That was at 100 feet. My hop-up was a little bit messed up. Sorry about that, but yeah, it's a little. At 100 feet, it's a little spread, but you know. I mean, this box is probably. Oh, that's my hand right there. This box is probably what, 3-4 hands. So it's probably like about her chest, and 100 feet away. That's really good. There's the gun down there, you can't even see it. Anyway, yeah, that's the review. Thank you, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.